Hello, this is the Layman's reaction to Buffalo Springfield. And the song is For What It's Worth. It's a great song.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn, but nobody's right if everybody's wrong.
That's really a good line. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Oh, man.
Right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and a carrying signs, mostly say hooray for our side. It's time to stop. Hey, what's that sound?
I gather we're going to get, from this one and the one before, we're going to get one more of this something else in there. There we got one of the Smothers Brothers. With his sign. Well, I'll just...
Songs and a carrying signs, mostly say hooray for our side.
Yeah. Right for our side. I like the Smothers Brothers. That was a cool show. I'm liking this video.
It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Paranoia strikes deep into your life, it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. You better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going. You better stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going. You better stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going. You better stop.
Man, the music on this, really good. I like this song. There's a lot in the lyrics, and it still applies. Yeah, they're all wearing suits. That's kind of cool. I like that. Great lyrics on this. The music, oh man, you feel this one all the way through, and then the voices. Yeah, we had leads and backups, and yeah, you could see the drummer back there. He was singing along a little bit, and great. I really enjoyed this. Hope you all did. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that like button.